What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and I'm back with some more Adobe Photoshop thumbnail creation. I'm using my video editing thumbnail template, and actually, we're going to be making this thumbnail for the video in which I create this template. So we're going to call this video editing thumbnail creation. Thumbnail template. Thumbnail template creation. Video editing. What if I just call it video editing thumbnail creation template? Video editing, the video editing thumbnail creation. Video editing, the video editing thumbnail template creation. The making of. Video editing, the making of video editing thumbnail template. The video editing template. Wait a second, cancel this. File. Go ahead and open the template before we get too far. Mess up that template. So let's go ahead and close that one. Let's file, save as, not there. Video editing thumbnails, new folder, video editing thumbnail creation. Video editing thumbnail template creation. Sorry. All right, let's try this. Video editing thumbnail template creation. I like the making of. I might start working that into some of this stuff. It might make it easier so I don't have creative, like thumbnail creation, like multiple things, like the making of, stared in thumbnail, stuff like that. I might start working that in. We'll see. Let's paragraph, center, character. Let's go ahead and change this to 14. Go ahead and drag this down some. Let's go ahead and tighten it up. Right there. Go ahead and grab this. Grab the selection tool. Select from here. 19. Yep. $18. Bam. Digging it. File. Save. Wait a second. Just make sure. Yeah, you have to make sure they're centered. Control S to save. File. Export. And a V1 at the end of that. Save. Okay. So. What do I want to say? Yeah. The video editing thumbnail template creation video will be up within the next 2 weeks. I'm going to go ahead and go put this thumbnail on the video right now. And then once I'm done with this set of 16 videos that I'm creating thumbnails for, I'll schedule all of them. And then, but those will be out within the next 2 weeks. Tonight I'll do thumbnail creations. Tomorrow I will do descriptions and scheduling. So look out for these videos coming out within the next 2 weeks. And while I'm putting this one on YouTube, hopefully you'll go watch another one of my videos. Thanks for watching. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.